Sorig Congress is very, very important because internationally, and especially in the West, this is the unique Congress on Soarikpa, or the healing science of Tibet and the Himalaya. And I think it's very, very important because all Soarikpa students, practitioners and doctors, everybody gathering together. So we have this chance once a year, and it's really, really important to meet each other, and we talk about Soarikpa, sharing the experiences, studying from each other, and reconnecting with people. And of course, it's very, very important. And then our Congress is a very professional Congress. It's already the 8th Congress. So last 8 years, continuously Sorig organized this Congress. We start from West and Europe, and then to the East, and then West and East again. So now coming back to Poland. And according to our experience, this Congress it's very, very effective, and the result is really good. So therefore, please everybody to join our Congress. And your joining also means support. And support our Congress and join us and meet there very soon.